Hello everyone, I am Himangi Sinha and welcome back to Nexus News. Our top story today centers on a massive legislative overhaul in India's criminal justice system. A prominent legal expert says India is finally breaking free from a century-old colonial framework to build a tech-driven forensic future. Speaking at the prestigious International Association of Forensic Science Conference in Bulgaria, Professor Devendra Singh, the Vice Chancellor of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Law University, highlighted a critical paradigm shift. For over 100 years, Indian investigative agencies were heavily constrained by a colonial-era law, that is, the Identification of Prisoners Act of 1920. Legal experts argue that this outdated framework severely restricted scientific evidence collection and choked modern forensic progress. But that has completely changed now. Professor Singh noted that the Criminal Procedure Identification Act of 2022 has fundamentally modernized how crimes are investigated. The scope of evidence collection has dramatically widened. Police and investigators can now legally collect advanced biometric and forensic data. This includes iris and retina scans, DNA-based biological samples, handwriting samples, and digital voice recordings. According to legal scholars, this brings Indian forensic directly in line with global scientific standards. However, this massive digital expansion comes with intense debates. As tech integration accelerates, the biggest challenge lies in maintaining a strict legal equilibrium. In his address, Professor Singh emphasized that India urgently needs national forensic standardization protocols and highly secure digital infrastructure to prevent data leaks and abuse. He stressed that the state must aggressively balance this technology with constitutional safeguards, ensuring that a modern investigation never violates individuals' privacy rights. As India continues to transition away from its colonial legal roots, this modern forensic evolution marks a definitive step towards a more faster and more accurate justice delivery system. What do you think about the police collecting biometric data like voice recordings? Let us know. Reporting from Nexus News, I am Himangi Sinha. Stay safe and we will see you in our next report.